My name is Wambui Kabage. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Been so for 25 years this year. But I'm actually here in my capacity as a director of Zuri International Salam School, a school that I started with my partner, Dr. Nimo Elmi, who's a behavioral scientist. And we're here because this particular issue is a very pressing matter for our youth. We started the school in COVID in 2020 for our two children. The children that both of us have. And yes, so this is a pressing issue, the issue of sexual orientation. So I'm very grateful that this book has been written, which has turned it around, called it Sexual Disorientation, which is exactly what we feel it is. And we appreciate the intellectual angle, the fact that it's going to give us intellectual ammunition to help support our Muslim youth on how to really position themselves intellectually, individually, but also to the outside world, especially because this book is written by Muslims. It's very important to us.